Kingdom Animalia, phylum Coelenterata. The second phylum is Coelenterata or Cnidaria. This phylum includes diverse forms such as jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. Coelenterates are mostly marine, except for Hydra, which is a freshwater form. They may be sedentary or free swimming. The word coelenterate means hollow gut. Coelenterates are radially symmetrical and their body has 2 or 3 layers, a gastrovascular cavity and a single opening that serves as both mouth and anus, which is usually surrounded by tentacles. Coelenterates possess special stinging cells called cnidocytes or cnidoblasts, which help in food capture, defense mechanism, and an adhesion in case of sessile coelenterates. Coelenterates are carnivorous and exhibit both extracellular digestion, that is, in the gastrovascular cavity, as well as intracellular digestion, that is, inside the nutritive cells of endodermis. In coelenterates, the processes such as respiration and excretion occur by simple diffusion. The nervous system in coelenterates is primitive and consists of a diffuse net of nerve cells. The soft body of coelenterates may be naked or supported by calcareous exoskeleton or endoskeleton. Many coelenterates exhibit polymorphism, that is, they exist in 2 different body forms, a polyp and a medusa. A polyp is a tubular body form which is usually sessile, while a medusa is an umbrella-shaped free-swimming body form. Polyp represents asexual phase, while a medusa is a sexual stage in a coelenterate's life cycle. A polyp gives rise to medusa by asexual reproduction, by budding, and a medusa produces polyps by sexual reproduction, in which the fertilized egg develops into a ciliated free-swimming planula larva. This is known as alternation of generations or metagenesis. Phylum Coelenterata is divided into 3 classes: Class Hydrozoa, Class Scyphozoa, and Class Anthozoa. Class Hydrozoa consists of all coelenterates with polyps as a dominant body form. Medusa are either reduced or absent in hydrozoans. Examples of the same are Hydra, Obelia, Physalia, Popita.
Phylum Ctenophora. In the warm summer months, floating in the seawater are the bioluminescent comb jellies emitting a rainbow of colors. They are also referred as sea walnuts or sea gooseberries. Comb jellies are the marine invertebrates belonging to the kingdom Animalia and phylum Ctenophora. The organism is diploblastic, having 2 germ layers, the ectoderm and the endoderm. Between the ectoderm and endoderm lies a thick layer of mesoglia containing a few cells. The comb jellies exhibit biradial symmetry. The arrangement of body parts is such that similar parts are located on either side of a central axis, and each of the 4 sides of the body is identical to its opposite side but different from the adjacent side. The phylum derives its name from the Greek words teno, meaning comb, and phoros, meaning to bear. As the name suggests, a comb jelly, Pleurobrachia pilus, has 8 external rows of comb plates. The rows are oriented to run from near the mouth, oral pole, to the opposite end, aboral pole. Each comb, also called the tene, bears about 1000 cilia. the beating of which creates strokes for locomotion. The propulsion stroke is away from the mouth, and hence the comb jelly usually swims in the direction in which the mouth is pointing. These cilia also diffract light, thus producing rainbow-like colors, which give the appearance of a bioluminescence. A pair of long refractile tentacles arises from two opposite sides of the body. Each tentacle is covered with numerous hair-like projections called tentillums. These tentillums have presence of adhesive glands called coloblasts. The cells of coloblasts secrete mucus to trap the prey like copepods. The tentillum twirls around the prey and captures it. It partially digests the prey externally and pushes it into the main gastrovascular canal or gut through the mouth. The ingested food on passing through the pharynx reaches the gut, where internal digestion occurs. The small excretory matter left after digestion is thrown out through the anal pore present at the aboral end. It also functions as sense organ or statocyst. The ctenophores can ingest food like planktons which are bigger than itself. On sensing the presence of such planktons, the comb jelly opens its mouth wide to swallow them. The nervous system in comb jellies is of primitive type and is comprised of a nerve net. The comb jelly is a hermaphrodite organism with both the sexes, male and female, present in the same body. Meridional canals acts as the reproductive part that produces both the sperms, male gametes, and the eggs, female gametes. Reproduction is thus sexual. Summary. Comb jellies are marine invertebrates of phylum Ctenophora of kingdom Animalia. The phylum derives its name from the Greek words teno, meaning comb, and phoros, meaning to bear. These are diploblastic, biradially symmetrical animals. Pleurobrachiopilus, a comb jelly, has 8 external rows of comb plates that bear cilia for locomotion. A pair of long refractile tentacles bearing hair-like projections or tentillums arises from two opposite sides of the body. The glandular cells on the tentillums help in catching the prey. The oral end of the body has presence of mouth, whereas the aboral end has statocyst, which doubles up as the sense organ and the anal pore. The nervous system is in the form of a nerve net. The comb jelly is a hermaphrodite organism. Reproduction is sexual.